It does not matter how slowly you go, so long as you do not stop. Confucius.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, my name is Aam Sumia. I am currently a student of Indonesia University of Education, Tasikmalaya campus, from class 1B PGSD. In the second semester, I contracted the basic concept of the English course. I'm happy to take this English course. The learning feels fun and varied, with lessons that are not monotonous, following and utilizing technological development, such as using learning media that are not boring. The tasks also vary, and during learning, when absorbing the material being taught, it does not feel bored and boring. There is one moment that I think is a challenge in this lecture. When I was assigned to read a story text for elementary school children. What made it challenging was that the story text had to be based on the existing curriculum, and I had to pay attention to the choice of diction in the story to make it easier understood by elementary school students. It doesn't stop there. The text of the story that I made, I have to convey in the form of audio visual or video. In making the video, the most interesting thing that I feel. Because of that, I was required to learn how to edit videos, create script, and create concept for my videos. Although in the result, my video feels a bit different from the others. By the way, I'm aware of one thing, that the most important thing in the effort is not only the result, but also the process. And that's what I feel can be proud of me. Yes, process. In this course, I learned a lot. Whether it's about aspect of the English language, skill in English, and the position of English in the education curriculum in Indonesia, or even how to make videos like the one I explained earlier. My lack of consistency in self-study has become a problem that I have experienced so far in lectures. In the future, in learning English, I want to be consistent in learning it and follow the right step in learning it. After what I've tried and sacrificed all this time, if my lecturer asks me what kind of score I deserve, maybe B plus or I deserve that score. But it depends on my lecturer. Anyway, all this time I've been trying. If possible, I want to bright my lecture with this or this. But I'm sure it won't work. Thank you.